Hello, friends. Welcome to Speak Well Institute. This is episode 2 of our English listening podcast, and today's topic is My Best Friend. Let's begin. Everyone in life needs a friend. A friend is someone who shares our joys and sorrows, supports us in difficult times, and makes life more enjoyable. I feel very lucky because I have a best friend who means a lot to me. Let me tell you about him. My best friend's name is Ahmed. Ahmed. We met for the first time in school when we were in the same class. At first, we were just classmates, but very soon we became close friends. From that day till today, we have been inseparable. We study together, play together, and share many happy moments. Ahmed is a very kind and honest person. He always speaks the truth and never hurts anyone's feelings. If someone needs help, he is the first one to offer his hand. He is respected and trusted in more, one feels worthy of his time, and his helpful nature makes him loved by all our classmates and teachers. Whenever I am confused about my studies, he explains things to me patiently. He never laughs at my mistakes. Instead, he encourages me and helps me improve. One of the things I admire most about Ahmed is his discipline. He follows a proper routine, completes his homework on time, and always respects elders. His good habits inspire me to be a better student and a better person. We often sit together and make plans for the future. He wants to become a doctor while I want to be a teacher. Even though our goals are different, we always support and motivate each other. We also share many hobbies. Both of us love playing cricket. Every evening, we go to the playground and play with our friends. Ahmed is a great batsman, and I am good at bowling. Together, we make a strong team. Apart from cricket, we also enjoy reading storybooks. Sometimes we exchange books and then discuss the stories. These discussions improve our knowledge and also make our friendship stronger. A true friend is someone who stands by you not only in good times, but also in bad times. I still remember one day when I was sick and could not attend school. Ahmed came to my home after school. He brought my homework, explained the lessons, and even made me laugh with his joke. His care and concern made me realize how lucky I am to have such a friend. There are many students in our school, but not everyone gets a true friend. Some friendships last only for a short time, but real friendship lasts forever. I believe that Ahmed and I will always remain best friends, even after school and college. Our bond is based on trust, respect, and love. And these are the foundations of any true relationship. In conclusion, I would say that a best friend is like a treasure. Life without friends is empty, but with true friendship, life becomes meaningful. I feel proud and blessed to have Ahmed as my best friend. I pray that our friendship lasts forever. Thank you for listening to this episode on My Best Friend. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak Well Institute for more daily English listening podcasts. See you in the next episode.